Climate change.
Climate change.
Climate change has changed our lives in the OECS.
We now face very severe and intense hurricanes.
Increased drought is causing water shortages. I've had to live without water for days at a time.
Because of severe drought, many of our farmers within the island of St. Kitts has experienced severe crop loss.
Our coral reefs are being bleached due to the increase in temperatures.
Many of my friends and people from the island of Anguilla were severely impacted by Hurricane Irma.
In the 2023 hurricane season, Antigua and Barbuda faced two severe storms in October. First, we were hit by Tropical Storm Felipe, which caused intense rainfalls and flooded low-lying areas, followed by Hurricane Tammy, in which many of my friends' homes were flooded.
It is time.
It is time.
It's time we deliver.